This other side. Chairman's office. Yes.
And have a meeting with the commissioners, although we passed the message through the media, and our explanation is simple, that we had already communicated to IEBC earlier in 4 letters which we made available to the media yesterday. Let it be very clear that we did not come here to IEBC in form of a demonstration or a protest, as some media houses have reported it. I think the media houses are used to ODM always coming to demonstrate at IEBC offices. Today's meeting was purely meeting between IEBC and the leadership of ODM, the officials of ODM as a political party, a party that has fielded candidates in both in Kibra and 3 other electoral wards where there are by-elections coming up soon. So this meeting was consultative. We had a number of issues, and first of all I want to thank the chairman and his team, including the 2 other commissioners and the CEO, for having a very, very cordial meeting. We have had, I think, almost 2 hours meeting. It was a meeting of engagement, and we have discussed a raft of issues, one of which, the first one, key one, was the issue of the register, and we have come out with the way forward. Actually, we expressed our concern to the IEBC because we had communicated to IEBC earlier on the issue of register, and we were not getting good response. The IEBC has also accepted that probably there are a few things that they should have done earlier, so that this meeting would have not even been necessary anyway. But better never late than never. We are here, and we have agreed that the register for 2017 and the additional names, which are coming to about 333 new registered voters from 2017 to the time the registration of voters in Kibra was stopped legally, and then there were about 44 who transferred from outside to the constituency, and about 22 internal transfers from one polling station to the other. That information would be made available to us today, and not just us. All political parties participating in Kibra can access this. In fact, we have this meeting is not just beneficial to ODM, even to other parties whom I see their leaders campaigning in the US. Yeah? They are also going to benefit from this. Even those who are campaigning for their candidates in other constituencies instead of Kibra, they are also allowed to benefit from this initiative that we have had. Then the final register, which is being verified and will be approved by, or certified, if I may use the right word, by IEBC, will be availed next week, 18th. As a party will pay for it, and we'll get that register. That is the assurance we've got from IEBC, and that register will be gazetted. Now, having addressed the register, we also talked about the electoral preparedness. I don't want to go into the details. I think the chairman, you have been very exhaustive on that matter. We also touched on issue of ICT. That again you have covered very well. The issue of polling stations, our concerns were that, one, there is no proper communication from IEBC to the voters regarding the change of polling stations for logistical reasons, and we have asked IEBC actually to make communication much better through maybe civic education. They have complained about resource constraints, but we have even suggested to them that they can also put banners indicating exactly where the polling stations have been transferred to assist the voters to understand early enough where they will be required to vote. The last issue that I think we have talked about is regarding the issues of electoral malpractice.